and I've spoken sometimes, this special day today is the day of Sankrant. Sankar, sun means good, holy, and Krant means revolution, holy revolution, holy. And that's what I'm telling them. What is the holy revolution is that your own dharma is established now through Sahaja Yoga. You know what is your dharma. Because if you don't do your own dharmas, you'll be lost. Your vibrations will be lost. You'll immediately know that in your seeking you have lost something. You'll be affected. And so you have to correct. That's not so difficult. But to make it a Sankrant, holy revolution, you have to take to new religion, new steps. First of all, your own steps should be enlightened, and then you have to establish new steps to go ahead. And these are the new steps, which are different for the Westerners and different for the Easterners. Just now I told them about the Eastern style, and then I'll tell you later on about the Western. We have to have new ideals, new styles, because we are the courageous people. We are the valiant people. We have to fight the war of love, through love. And it's a very delicate thing. When the moon moves, the sun moves from the left to the right, that means your desire becomes your action. Today is the day they give you a sweet thing to say that you must speak sweetly, which is very important for Western people. That when you are doing and organizing, you become heated up. There's tension and you develop the temperament which is dry, emotionless. The heart goes into a tantrum. At that time, they say that you take the sweet. This sweet is a heating thing because now the sun is moving towards the other side. That time also to give it a balance, they say, speak very sweetly. Use sweet words. Use sweetness. Bring sweetness in your language, which is very important. You understand that. And this is one of the religions we have to accept. That we will not use harsh words to each other and then later on to others. It's so auspicious today that you all should be here because you are the chosen ones, the soldiers who are going to fight till Satya Yoga is established on this earth. Is the day of revolution. Sankrant means, sun means, auspicious. Krant means revolution. Today is the day of holy revolution. I have told you about the rebellion. That in rebellion, we move in a pendulum from one to another end. As a result of inertia, but through the ascent, when we achieve a higher state, it's only possible when there is a revolution, and revolution takes spirally. The movement has to be spiral to land up at a higher position. So this is the revolution, which is the holy revolution. Today we are celebrating here a special day called Makar Sankranti. It means today is the day the sun crosses over from the Tropic of Capricorn to the Tropic of Cancer. It's a very big day for us
because now during the summertime we have the harvest and we look forward to the rain and so many things that happen in every country. The sun falls at right angles in this country during the summer season. And so we welcome the sun. We eat something that you must have eaten already, what we call as til and jaggery. It is to prepare your body and your mind, to give it sufficient heat to receive the sun. Because if you are living in the cold season, then all your body, mind becomes lethargic, and you become also sometimes very lazy about things, in the sense that the day is so small that you cannot achieve many results. So the body has become cold, as we call it. We take these things which give us heat, so body is prepared to receive the heat of the sun to welcome. To overcome the inertia set in by the cold weather, and also to invigorate the body strength, tuned to the sun, people take to all these ways of greeting you by which they give you something that is heat creating in the body. But it has another very subtle expression which I find is this, that when they give you these, they say, now you take til and gur and you say things which are sweet. Because when you are taking til and gur, your body gets heated up and you become right-sided person. When you become right-sided person, you seldom speak sweetly. So it is a contrast that they give you a thing to heat you up so that your body gets heated up, but you must speak sweetly. Tropic of Cancer is the one which represents the motherhood of the earth. This Tropic of Cancer has passed through quite a big area of land, while the Tropic of Capricorn has not. And the area through which it has passed, it has created different beautiful manifestation of the motherhood qualities on this earth. We celebrate this change because the sun has now moved into the new dimension, so that all over the world there will be the warmth of the sun. Warmth of the sun represents the warmth of God's love. This is the reason why we celebrate this festival by giving you some sort of a sweet made out of sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are given because they are also heat giving. And now, as we are coming from the cold, we come to the hot season, in a way, hotter season. So to prepare you with that warmth of the sun, these special things are made out of the seed of sesame to represent the oncoming warmth and the warmth of the sun. Though in India the heat is too much, still people are waiting for this time to come in, and they celebrate it with such a warm heart. At this time, it is said that we give you this sesame seed and the sugar to eat, but now you must speak in a sweet manner. God God bola means you must speak in a sweet manner. Speaking in the sweet manner is very important. This is the puja done to the sun and is called as Makar Sankrant. Makar is the tropic of Capricorn. Capricorn is Makar. So now the sun is moving from the tropic of Capricorn towards the tropic of Cancer. And it's always a fixed date because it has something to do with the sun. This is the only date which is fixed in Indian calendar because they have to deal with the sun. But this time I don't know why, what has happened that they have put it on the 15th of this month. It's always the 14th. Now, today is they are changing. I would say that the seasons are going to be changed. We've got 6 months when this sun moves towards the southern hemisphere and makes it warm. And when it comes to the northern hemisphere from tomorrow. So today is the last day, which we say that is the day which is the coldest day, according to Indian understanding. After this, the heat will start growing, and we can do anything that is auspicious, any auspicious things can be done after this puja is over during the summertime. Though it's very hot in summer, still people want the sun to rule us and to give us warmth because of him only all the fields and all the vegetables, all the fruits, everything grows. And that's why when the 6 months the sun is not here, we call it as Sankrant, meaning a calamity in a way. That is when, of course, in the European countries or say in England, America, it is a calamity at that time when the sun is not there. But even here, it is regarded as a time. Today is the day that the end of the Sankrant, means the end of the calamity is over. And they give something sweet to eat, which is also mixed with sesame seeds. Because sesame seed is heat giving, so today being the hottest day, coldest day, they want to give sesame seed. Also want you to retain the heat and to adjust yourself to the heat that's coming up. This is all thought of in a way, in a very gross level, on a very gross level, that we should keep the people warm enough. Also, it is said that the warmth of love should be expressed at this time for people because it's the coldest day. So they say that we give you this special thing for you to say something sweet, that is God God bola, means you say something sweet to us. आज के शुभ अवसर पे इस भारतवर्ष में हर जगह खुशियां मनाई जा रही हैं। इसका कारण ये है कि सूर्य जो हमें छोड़ करके, भारतवर्ष को छोड़ के, और मकर वृत्त पे गया था, वो अब लौट के आया और पृथ्वी और सूर्य के युति के साथ जो जो वनस्पतियाँ, खाद्यान्न आदि चीज़ें होती हैं, वो सब होने का अब समय आ गया है। और
जो पेड़ सर्दी में पूरे पत्तों से दूर हो गए थे, पूरी तरह से ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे कि वो सब मर गए, वो सारे पेड़ फिर से जागृत हो गए, उसमें हरियाली आने लग गई। और इसलिए इस समय का जो विशेष है कि पृथ्वी फिर से हरभरित हो जाएगी, सारे ओर फिर से कार्यक्रम शुरू हो जाएंगे। और विशेषकर उत्तर हिंदुस्तान में जहाँ की ठंड बहुत ज़ोर से पड़ती है, वहाँ तो इसका विशेष रूप से उत्सव माना जाता है कि सूर्य का आगमन हुआ और सूर्य के कारण जो भी हमारे कार्य हैं वो अब पूरी तरह से होने वाले हैं। इसलिए आज की बड़ी शुभेच्छा हम यहाँ के सब लोगों को कहते हैं और सोचते हैं कि आज के शुभ अवसर पे आप सब लोगों से यहाँ मिलना हुआ, ये भी एक बड़ी आनंद की बात है। जैसे सूर्य का आना हम लोग बहुत ऊंचा मानते हैं, उससे भी कहीं अधिक सहयोग का सूर्य इस पृथ्वी पर आना महत्वपूर्ण है, क्योंकि सृष्टि की जो कुछ सृजनता है, जो क्रिएटिविटी है, वो सूर्य से प्लावित होती है और सूर्य उसको चालना देते हैं। और परम चैतन्य की जो सृजन शक्ति है, उसका जो कृतकार्य है, उसको चालना सहयोग से मिली है। अभी तक परम चैतन्य जो था वो किसी कार्य में संपन्न नहीं हो पाया था। उसकी वजह ये थी कि उसका सूर्य अभी तक उस के प्रांगण में उतरा नहीं था। लेकिन अब ये सूर्य ये परम चैतन्य के प्रांगण में उतर गया है और इसके कारण आप सबके अंदर उसका प्रकाश आया। उस प्रकाश के कारण आपकी कुंडलिनी जागृत हो गई और आपके अंदर जो एक सृजन भूमि थी वो पूरी तरह से हरित हो गई।